Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for 1k.55 subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you guys. Just thank you so much. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing what I get for Christmas. I did get lots of presents. So let me start with the first present. I'm so excited to show them to you. Okay, let's start. Oh, this one is big. Let me open this one first. Okay. Oh my God. The Air Force. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Wow. My God. I can't believe it. Who gave me this? Let's see. I don't know. Wow. Okay. I like it. Oh, some clothes too. Some clothes. Okay. Arkansas. Okay. Arkansas is the best. I know that. Okay, I got some hat too. Arkansas too, boy. Arkansas. Oh yeah, I look good. Okay. I got this one too. Arkansas. That's it. In this box. Let me see the Air Force. Air Force. Wow. Just look at it. Oh my God. Okay, let's jump to the next present. Actually, I'm so excited. I got this Air Forces. Oh my God. Mwah. So, next present. Let me go with this one. What the heck is this? I don't know. Oh my God. How do you open this box? How do you open it? Oh, okay. Oh, mamacita. I think it's for games. I don't play games. But thank you. I don't know who gave this to me, so thank you if you did. Thank you so much. Oh my God, how do you close this box? Oh my God. Oh, I got it. So you see what I get? The Air Forces. I love them. Let's go to present. Which one should I go with? Which one? Actually, I did get lots of presents. So, oh my God. Okay. I got water bottle. Yeah. With the egg on it. Okay. Oh, it smells good. I love it. It's colorful. I love it so much. And I got the glass, I think sunglasses. Yeah, sunglasses. Sunglasses. Sure. And oh my god. Come on. How much is it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $11. And gift card. $50 in it. Wow. Okay. Okay, next present. Which one should I open? Oh my God. This is the last one. Okay. Don't tell me it's a phone. Don't tell me it's a phone. Tell me it's a phone. I think it's an iPhone. Oh my god. It's an iPhone. I don't believe it. Oh my god. It's an iPhone. Brand new one. Oh my god. No, I got two phones. iPhone 13 and small phone. Let me see. ES. Oh yeah. Thank you, Santa. Thank you. Thank you so much, Santa. So guys, that was my present for Christmas. I got nothing else. As you know, I told you I don't have lots of presents. So that was my present. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to subscribe, and then you're gonna share the video.